Hello, Coot here. I would like to share with you some scenes we observed at Air Sailing Gliderport the spring and summer of 2018. We have been sharing the site with ravens as far back as I can remember. I thought it would be worth a try to record the phenomenon, and I was surprised at the results. The appearance of the ALF eggs were a particular surprise. Swift and I had heard rumors about owls being seen. We began a search. Wow, 3 chicks in view. On our next visit, just a few days later, to see how far these guys have developed. I think he just winked at us. These guys are growing really fast. Now there are 4 of them in the nest. Looks like 2 larger birds and then 2 smaller birds. You can hear the parents in the background, the babies do not move. At this point, there was a big mystery why there's only 1 owl and 1 egg in the nest at this point. We searched the grounds and couldn't find any evidence of them being any other place. I suppose the answer could be that this bird looks like it's got the flight feathers sticking out around the perimeter, and maybe the others flew off. He is definitely posing for the camera. I had several occasions to see this family some distance from the airport. Okay, we got 5 of them in there. 4 of them on the same branch here. They're so funny. Not sure what their motive was, but they seemed to enjoy keeping us company when we were out having our dinner in the evenings. Sometimes you'd see them in the morning in the trees individually. What are you guys doing, huh?
Looking at it. Short eared owl.
During this period, the wildlife around air sailing was plentiful. Rabbits, chipmunks, lizards, etc. roamed the place. I, for one, enjoyed the owl's company.